अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज अभी हम आए हुए हैं सेवन सिस्टर पे, हमने पे अमेरिकन ग्रुप के साथ। तो यहाँ पे हिस्ट्री भी बता रहे हैं, तो ये भी सुने।
The Saad Sakya means the seven sisters. But the tombs here, these are another extension of the Chokandi tombs you saw in Makli Hills and all this, more or less the same architecture and also style, except the use of tile here is more intense places. But the designs, as you can see, swastika, the Quranic inscriptions and all, it is a very interesting blend of the different religious traditions. And here and there, Star of David, you see very clearly carved. So it's an interesting site and also very interesting view here of the bridge. At the bridge in the back, that is the old bridge that was actually
1890
assembled, made in England, and then it was shipped here. Because earlier, when the railway line was already built, all the consignments from the Karachi up, they were coming up here, and the East India Company, they had to bring onto the boats and then on the other side. So this was a big logistical operation and hurdle. So then they built that bridge in colonial times. So it is one of the architectural marvels and very interesting. Many architects they are quite inspired at how it has been created.
Which one? The white one?
The red one.
The white one is a new one. This was built in 1960s. The front one. This one during the Ayub Khan, one of the Pakistan's ruler and the military dictator in 60s. So during his time this was built. So now it's a bit confused. Some they call it the Ayub Bridge because it was attributed to Ayub Khan. But the earlier bridge was the Lloyd Bridge, as the Lloyd Barrage, the governor of the Bombay. So they'll like to add something.
No, I don't need to add anything, did I? You said everything?
Thank you. So we'll
ये सेवन सिस्टर के टॉम्स हैं, ग्रेव्स हैं जो आप सकते हैं। और यहाँ से पूरा इंडस का व्यू है, जो इंडस रिवर है, सिंधु दरिया, उसका व्यू है। और ये सामने रोडी ब्रिज है, ललड़ ब्रिज, जो अयूब ब्रिज के साथ ही हैं। तो यहाँ पे स्पेशली जो सनसेट का व्यू होता है वो बड़ा खूबसूरत होता है। जब बोटिंग की जाए या यहाँ पे बैठ के पूरा व्यू किया जाए। तो आपको दिखाएंगे आगे भी। ये ग्रुप अभी चल रहा है आगे। तो यहाँ पे कुछ लोग भी लोकल आए हुए हैं, इनके साथ वीडियोस बनाने और टिकटॉकर्स। तो इंशाल्लाह आपको दिखाएंगे आगे भी। यहाँ पे बना रहे हैं और ये कुछ वीडियो भी बना रहे हैं। मिस्टर बिल जोन्स जो टूर लीडर हैं हमारे, तो कुछ टिकटॉकर्स हैं और कुछ कर रहे हैं। जी अभी हम ये सक्कर बैराज का म्यूज़ियम है जो विज़िट कर रहे हैं। बिल्कुल आप देख सकते हैं।
Also the soldiers were always there, but when there were some dangers, then they moved everybody into the fort. So
many of these, I had 70 feet on there.
Justice is not seen to be done. It's not seen to be
Are there any in Urdu?
That's a big.
Any streaming services? Netflix has a lot of Urdu. Does it?
All right.